Hello and welcome to English Speaking 360. Today we are showing you how to report orders with he told me to, he told me not to. Orders are commands, so this is important to know. For example, if I say smile, that is an order. Come here is an order. Don't look at me is an order. Don't stop watching this video is a great idea. Okay, now how to report orders. Imagine this situation. Kim is here and Kim gives you an order. You turn around and you tell Sophie what Kim said. This is reporting orders. Now here is the real situation. Kim says, "Be quiet." You turn around and then you tell Sophie, "She told me to be quiet." This is how to report orders. She told me to plus the base verb. Now, here's a different one. Don't move. What do you think you say to your friend? You say, "He told me to don't move," right? No, that is wrong, okay? Here is the real answer. He told me not to move. So, he told me not to plus the base verb. The base verb in this case is move. Now, just as a summary, so if we have a positive order, like be quiet, we say, "She told me to be quiet." And if you have a negative order, you say, "He told me not to," and then the base verb. Okay? Now let's give it a try. Santa says, "Be a good boy." So you turn around and what do you tell your friend? Santa told me to be a good boy. Santa told me to be a good boy. Now, here's a negative order. Be careful with this one. Don't forget your homework. What do you tell your friend? The teacher told me not to forget my homework. Remember, it is a negative order, so we say, "She told me not to." Now let's go with this one. Don't be late. What do you tell your friend? Now I don't give you any help, so give it a try. You say, "She told me not to be late." Call me at 6 p.m. What do you tell your friend? She told me to call her at 6 p.m. Of course, you have to change the me for her because you're telling another person. You cannot say, "She told me to call me at 6 p.m. You cannot call yourself. Okay? Don't drive too fast. What do you tell your friend? The police officer told me not to drive too fast. Now here's a big challenge for you. I want you to try to report orders without reading them. Can you do it? Let's try. Don't touch my coffee. What do you tell your friend? He told me not to touch his coffee. Here's what he said. Don't touch my coffee. So he told me not to touch his coffee. Here's another one. Text me more often. Text me more often. What do you tell your friend? You say, "She told me to text her more often." Third one, get a new hairstyle. What do you tell your friend? He told me to get a new hairstyle. Don't call me late at night. What do you tell your friend? She told me not to call her late at night. Great, I hope you did well on this one. Now here's a bigger challenge. Try reporting multiple orders, many different orders. Let's try. Okay, you go to the dentist, you go see a dentist, and the dentist says, don't eat chocolate, brush your teeth, and floss once a day. Okay, and you say, of course, okay, doctor. Now you go back home and your friend at home says, what did the dentist tell you? You ready? Give it a try. Try to remember what the dentist said and report the dentist's orders. Let's go. To help you, I give you these ones. These are the 3 orders that she gave you. So the first one, she told me not to eat chocolate. The second, she told me to brush my teeth. The third one, she told me to floss once a day. Here's a more difficult one. You go see a doctor and the doctor says, don't smoke, exercise more, don't drink alcohol, and relax more. You ready? Let's give it a try. What did the doctor tell you? You ready? I give you some help here. The first one would smoke. She told me not to smoke. Exercise. She told me to exercise more. Drink. She told me not to drink alcohol. And finally, relax. She told me to relax more. Good job. Now, watch my YouTube channel. What did I tell you? You told me to watch English Speaking 360. Don't forget to like us, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.